How on earth did the most advanced shuttle the Soviets ever built fly once and then disappear? In the 1980s, the United States had the Space Shuttle. It was reusable, crewed, and symbolic of high-tech spaceflight. In response, the Soviet Union developed Buran, meaning snowstorm. But this was no cheap knockoff. Buran became one of the most impressive spacecraft the world has ever seen. Externally, Buran looked almost identical to NASA's shuttle. But inside, it was smarter. Fully automated, Buran didn't need a pilot. In 1988, it flew its first and only mission, an uncrewed two-orbit flight that landed entirely by itself. No humans, no remote control, just pre-programmed instructions, guiding it to a perfect touchdown in Kazakhstan. Technologically, it was a triumph. It proved the USSR could match, and in some ways surpass, NASA. Buran even had ejector seats and better thermal tiles. But the victory was short-lived. So why did it die? First, the Cold War was ending. The Soviet Union was collapsing under financial strain. Space programs were slashed. With no money and no Moon or Mars mission on the table, Buran became a luxury the USSR could no longer afford. Second, unlike NASA's shuttle, which launched dozens of missions carrying satellites, labs, and astronauts, Buran had no clear role. The infrastructure for repeated flights wasn't there. The Energia rocket, which launched Buran, was massive, but expensive. No payloads, no missions, no purpose. Third, timing. Buran flew in 1988. By 1991, the Soviet Union was gone. The prototype sat in a hangar for years, until tragedy struck again. In 2002, the roof of the Baikonur storage facility collapsed, destroying the Buran orbiter and killing several workers. Just like that, the USSR's most advanced spaceplane became rubble. Buran remains a symbol of unrealized potential, a brilliant machine built for a country that ceased to exist. It flew perfectly. And then, never again. If you want more untold stories of space brilliance and blunders, like the video and subscribe for more How on Earth journeys through forgotten frontiers.